Mike Wilmer.
A&T, UMG, Easy, Team Stat, White Town, let's get it.
It's Tag. Team Stat the team, I'ma drop 16 to get back to green. I'm a well-known nigga, I don't need transactions to my cell phone, nigga. Hit a young nigga up, put a young nigga on, made a young nigga whip. And it's sitting on chrome. Bar status, I'm 100 like an automatic. No remote when I pull up, but you the thought when I pour straight. All in when it way out. It feel good to be this good. Bound to blow any day now. I just go find a safe house. Damn, Wody, I'm damn good. Don't talk much, I'm misunderstood. New girl got a boyfriend, he treated bad, so it's understood. Run the town what I told Ring, Ben had Kush, I'm a dro king. 32 for a whole thing, no middleman, it's on me. Who ballin', I outball him. Money talking, I out-talk him. A&T and me on the beat, I'm going in like he paid for it. You niggas get no money, talking like you get dope money. Riding around with your plug money when it said nothing but.
That's cause you running your mouth, now the truth catching up. Put some work in, homie, then you can brag like us. I know I talk too much, but I stay backing it up. Like a stopped up toilet, you wish you could flush. I'm the shit, I'm the shit, you wish you could flush. I'm the shit, I'm the shit, you wish you could flush. I'm the shit, I'm the shit, you wish you could flush. Everybody talking good, but who backing it up? Okay, I'm hot like an oven, I burn y'all like cookies. They talking like veterans, but they numbers show rookie. Okay, I'm ballin' like Johnson, either Calvin or Larry. No better yet, Magic. On a fast break with Worthy. Rap and sing with the best. Wanna hate, be my guest. Check the score while you at it. I got the lead and your neck. I do my thing like thing 1 and 2. Just a cat in the hat. You think you fly till I swat you, then you die on a welcome mat. My past ain't a pretty one. I'm blessed to be here and free. The future's a blurry one. Nobody can really see. So presently I do me while the masses try fitting in. I change for a better me. Not worried about losing friends. I'm all about stretching ends and making my money work. Leave a legacy for my kids instead of just getting hurt. You mention how hard you work with nothing to show for. You mention how real you are and wonder why real ignores. You running your mouth, now the truth catching up. Put some work in, homie, then you can brag like us. I know I talk too much, but I stay backing it up. Like a stopped up toilet, you wish you could flush. I'm the shit, I'm the shit, you wish you could flush. I'm the shit, I'm the shit, you wish you could flush. I'm the shit, I'm the shit, you wish you could flush. Everybody talking good,